Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today ang pag-uusapan natin is all about Weed M. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Weed M. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung ano nga ba yung best class na pwede nyong gawin dito kay Weed M for farming. Now, gusto ko lang pasalamatan yung mga nag-join sa live stream natin kahapon kasi sobrang daming natutunan ng mga viewers natin dahil may mga players din po ng Weed M na nagre-recommend kung ano yung magandang class for farming. Binibigay din nila doon yung build guides and also kung saan dapat mag-farm. And basically, maraming tao ang natulungan din no during the live stream. So, may mga nag-download din ng game because nakita nila na so far enjoyable naman siya. And for me, isa to sa mga games that you can probably enjoy dahil hindi naman siya like yung other games na puro auto-auto lang. May challenge din siya. And kumbaga iba din kasi yung playstyle nito. So, if you have played Run Online before, somehow medyo similar to kay Run Online. Pati yung effects niya, yung upgrades niya guys, no? Yung plus 9 dito is color yellow din. So, somehow it reminds me of Run Online as well. So, I think that's the reason why nahook ako dito sa game to. But anyway. Ano nga ba yung pinakamagandang class na pwede nyong gamitin dito for farming? Now, there are two recommendations for farming, okay? So, number one is yung God na Beastmaster. So, bakit God na Beastmaster? Kasi ang God Beastmaster, guys, meron siyang skill wherein the God Beastmaster can summon multiple dragons. At the same time, mas mataas yung damage nyo doon kasi magpo-focus lang kayo purely sa int stat. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung ginawa nating normal character is Beastmaster. Pero bakit hindi tayo nag-God Beastmaster? Out of curiosity guys, no, meron kasi ako nakitang build na ganito. Okay, which is sinend lang sa atin ni Jim, no, isa sa mga subscriber natin. And so far, OP siya, at the same time, medyo makunat siya. So kung mapapansin nyo, God Warrior yung ginawa natin. We have 4,000 damage. Pure STR to guys. Hindi pa ako naglalagay dito sa Dex, Int, or sa Con. And kung mapapansin nyo. However, we do have items already. So meron tayo ditong Thorn of Hellhammer. Okay, meron tayo ditong Destruction set, which is yung breastplate, pants, boots, and also yung gloves. We also have the circlet, which is for free. And then, andito naman yung mga ano natin, no, yung mga equipments natin for our accessories. So, itong dalawa na to guys, nakuha ko lang to sa top up. So, don't get me wrong guys, pero ginastosan ko siya. Okay, gumastos tayo dito roughly around 600 PHP. Okay, yung total na nagastos natin in the game. Okay, para at least mabili natin yung complete set. Okay, para makapag-farm din tayo ng mas mabilis. Kasi ganito yan guys, no? Kumbaga, yung rate dito right now sa Weed M is medyo malaki pa. So, 1,000 red diamonds is around 600 pesos. Yan yung latest na bentahan na nakita ko recently. So, yun nga, if in any case man na pumasok kayo dito and you plan to farm, then you can go ahead and do the same thing and then mag-farm kayo. Then once you got your money back, and then that's the time na, of course, ano na kayo, enjoyin nyo na lang yung game. Pero ako yun yung isa sa mga reasons ko kung bakit ko siya kinasasan, kasi para mabilis din yung maging progress natin. But so far, level 73 pa lang yung God character natin dito. Again, this is a warrior type. If you want a Beastmaster guide, siguro gagawan ko siya on a separate video. Pero right now, focus muna tayo dito sa pinaka, I think, madali and also pinakatipid na farmer, which is itong God Warrior. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, since pure STR tayo, mataas yung ating damage, at the same time, yung HP natin is also nadamay kasi every time na mag-add kayo ng STR stat, nadadagdagan din yung HP nyo. Okay? Now, aside from that, guys, no, isa rin sa mga tip na masasabi ko sa inyo is if in any case man, nagagawa kayo ng character, make sure na hindi nyo gagamitin, okay? Kasi yung iba, ganito yung ginagawa eh. ginagamit agad nila to sa main character nila or dun sa normal character nila. So kapag ginamit nyo na to sa normal character nyo, hindi nyo na siya matatransfer dito sa God character nyo. So maganda, wag nyo muna siyang i-claim dito sa daily care. Wag nyo i-claim to, pati to. Okay, i-claim nyo na siya sa God character nyo. Gets? That's one of the pro tip na I think na-realize ko din. Isa rin sa mga mistake ko yun, guys. So, mas better na wag nyo siyang gamitin sa normal character nyo. Kasi bakit? Plus 50 stat din to. Okay, plus 50 stat din siya, guys. On all stats that you have here. So, that's the reason why mataas yung con, int, and dex natin dito. Okay? At the same time, since nag-top up nga ako, meron akong nakuha na tagte 10 dito, tapos may additional damage tayo here, and then HP, tapos tagte 10 ulit na stats. So, basically, plus 70 stats overall. Okay? So, good yan kasi kumbaga pinapa-level pa lang natin to and it will expire in like 29 days. Okay? So, 30 days to. And then ito naman, 22 hours lang yan. So, that's okay. Pero malaking kabawasan yan, no, sa stats natin. But anyway, kung mapapansin nyo guys, no, most likely yung mga naglalaro dito na naka-experience na ng God character, hirap na hirap sila mag-clear dito sa map na to dahil medyo masakit yung damage dito guys, kung mapapansin nyo. Pero tignan natin kung ilan yung damage sa atin. Okay, so 800 lang yung damage. So medyo makuna tayo dito comparing dun sa iba. And maybe because naka-distraction set na kasi tayo. Pero ang goal natin dito is ma-upgrade pa tong distraction set natin kasi kailangan natin pataasin yung armor class natin para somehow ang bawas sa atin is parang nangingiliti na lang. Okay? Ito kasi medyo somehow nakakaramdam pa tayo ng sakit na damage eh. Pero if in any case man, mas better pa din na ito yung gamitin nyo. Okay? Kasi so far, mabilis siyang mag-clear and meron siyang mga AoE skills. Now, sa Beastmaster kasi guys, dragon yon. So, dalawang dragon yon, aatake nila yung single mob. Okay? Dito, dalawang mobs yung pwede nyong atakihin at the same time. Pero kailangan natin mag-regen dito. Okay? Kasi medyo masakit yan. Dalawang mobs yung tinatangke natin. Okay? Though, ang gamit lang nating pots dito is 500 HP na pots lang. So, kailangan somehow you have to manage. Okay, mas maganda na isang mob lang yung tinitira nyo per like let's say one time. Kasi kung aatake kayo ng dalawa or tatlo, baka mamatay yung character nyo. So far, surviving naman yung character natin. Hindi naman tayo agad-agad na mamatay. However, wala na tayong mana. So kasi nga hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng mana pots. Okay, but anyway, the reason mataas pa yung damage natin, it's because gap tayo dito guys, no? 73 pa lang yung level natin. So ang goal natin is makapagpa-level 200 tayo para mas mapataas natin yung damage natin, yung damage output natin. Kasi imagine guys, 73 pa lang tayo. So kung makakapag-add pa tayo ng additional, how many stats here? Like 3 times mo ng 120, that's around 360 stats additional. So basically, mas masakit yung magiging damage output natin dito. Anyway, nag-level na tayo. So patayin lang natin tong single mob na to. Then after we kill this, okay, tapusin natin yung quest. So, ang goal nyo lang dito is palibelin muna siya up to like 150 or 200. Okay, now there are certain spots that you can stand by or stay put. Okay, if in any case man na gusto nyo magpa-level. So, ito yung pinaka-spot na lagi kong marirecommend sa inyo, which is si Assassin Taron. But you can also go with Lugifer and Lugifer Broken. Dito din ako nagpapa-level nun. So, transfer tayo dun sa spot na yon. Okay, and yung certain spot na to, pwede nyong gamitan ng, of course, pwede nyong gamitan nung Dimension Angel. Okay? Pero usually, ayan, ang pinaka-spot na tinatambayan ko dito is itong dito sa may gilid, guys. No? So, dito tayo pupunta. Yan, pinaka-dulo, yan, dito, tatambay kayo dito. Yan, itong spot na to, usually. Okay, para at least makukuha nyo yung mga mobs dito. So, 4 na mob yung nandito. So, goods na yan. Or pwede rin sa Taron for material farming. Pero so far, decent yung experience natin dito, like 2%. So, kung mag-AFK kayo dito, you will level up in a couple of hours. I think we will be able to reach level 100 in a couple of hours here. No, lalo na kung may Dimension Angel kayo. So far kasi tayo, wala pa tayong Dimension Angel here. Okay, hindi pa tayo makabili dahil kinulang nga. Kinulang tayo ng green Dayas. Okay, so ito, nakikita nyo naman, naka-standby lang sila dyan, nagpa-farm. So, ayan. Also, we can increase our damage naman kapag nagpalit na tayo ng pet. So, ang goal natin dito is makapagpalit ng pet din right after kasi meron din siyang additional na damage and also magic. But the reason why I was able to use this is because hindi ko siya ginamit doon sa normal account ko or doon sa normal character ko. So, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa storage for the meantime, and then after you put it in the storage and willing na kayong gamitin dito sa God character nyo is pwede nyo naman siyang matransfer. Okay? So, ganun siya kasimple. So, for me, this is one of the efficient builds and also, I think, guide that I can provide to you guys. Kung mapapansin nyo din dito, ang kinuha nating skill 3 is gonna be the battle type, but we're also aiming to get etong Eagle's Eye dahil it will increase our critical rate and damage. So, hindi naman siya technically mahirap intindihin, okay? You just have to use everything that you can possibly use, okay? Para naman, so far, mas mabilis kayo mag-progress and also, mapalakas nyo yung character nyo in such a short period of time. Okay? Now, balik na tayo dito sa sa quest natin. Ito muna, tapusin natin to kasi kailangan natin ng gold. Naubos din yung gold ko, guys, no? By the way, pag nag-top up kayo dito, meron siyang 130, meron siyang 420 plus na top up. So, yung 130, meron kayong makukuha additional na 10 million gold. Okay? 10 million gold yun, guys, kapag ginamit nyo. And then, yung 430 naman, 400 Dayas yun. And then, may additional kayo na makukuha na parang pang reset or pang ng stat, no? Pang iba ng stat. Pero, hindi nyo naman magagamit yun kapag mga god items na yung hawak nyo eh. So, technically, it's not gonna be useful for you. Pero kung normal character gagamitin nyo yun, okay lang. Alright? So, quest lang tayo dito. And, by the way, yung kung paano magpa-diamonds dito sa game na to, usually what you have to do is to craft. Okay? Kailangan nyo actually, guys, na mag-craft ng items. And one of the expensive items here is gonna be the belt. Okay? Etong Superior Madness belt na to, ito yung pinakamahal. Okay? Kahit yung, let's say for example, search lang natin Madness. Okay? Lahat ng Madness items, guys, medyo mahal yan. Okay? So, etong Inferior Madness belt, meron siyang tig to 10. Kasi normal lang naman to, mahina tong klase. Pero if you actually go to a higher rarity, let's say itong Madness belt na to, ang minimum is 500. Okay? Yan ang minimum kasi mahirap mag-craft nito. And then, if you are lucky enough to craft yung pinaka-sagad na Madness belt, okay? Ito, yung Superior, that's an instant like how much? Diba? So, kumbaga, kung sakali man na makapag-craft kayo nito, malaking bagay yan kasi it will give you additional armor class and then critical damage. So, isa to sa mga pinakamahal na items na kumbaga dapat makraft nyo. On how to craft and doing other things, guys, papakita ko yan sa next video natin kasi masyadong haba yung video natin dito, but I will definitely show it to you guys para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano nag-work yung crafting and kung saan mapafarm yung materials for the crafting ng Madness belt, no, yung Superior. Anyway, yun lang naman, guys. I hope this video helps you out on how to decide kung ano man yung gagamitin yung character. Again, there are two classes that you can consider in terms of farming. Number 1 is yung God Beastmaster na Summoner type. And number 2 is ito, yung God Warrior na somehow makunat pa rin naman. Yun lang, guys, and maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Alam niyo na, peace out.